Good morning, happy Thursday, and final day. I wanted to go over just a quick video because there were a couple problems that were missed frequently. So I just wanted to talk about it really quickly. So the first one is number 29. So just remember that when you have the center, you're going to do the opposite. So this will be like that. And then here's the issue. You want to square this number when you put it in. So some of you did 20, just plain 23 squared, which is like 529. But when you do root 23 squared, that cancels out the radical. So basically you're just left with plain old 23. You can also type it into your calculator if you want to do it. So hit second x squared and then 23. Close that parentheses and then hit the squared button and it'll pop it right back out to you that it's 23. Okay, but just as a refresher, the radical and the squared are going to cancel each other out. Okay. The next one is number 32. I probably wouldn't take off for this right now, just with the distance learning stuff. A lot of you put root 28, which is great, but that's not simplified all the way. So in the future, like especially for next year when we deal with radicals, we want to, which means we will deal with radicals in Algebra 2. We want to make sure that radicals are all the way simplified. And so 4 is a perfect square and it goes into it. And so does, 4 times 7. And 4 is the perfect square. So this actually simplifies to 2 root 7. So those of you who left at root 28, you're on the right track. Like, that's wonderful. But 2 root 7 is really the best answer. Okay? You can see the other answers. Y'all did fabulous. I just wanted to show a couple things. And then on the last two, or not last two, but 34 and 35, I wrote what the center was and the radius first. Do y'all see that? Well, I shouldn't circle it because that's not my answer, but that's kind of where I started, was here and here, here and here. So I just started with the center and the radius. And so then now I'm just putting it into the equation. And then remember, when you're plugging it in, you do the opposite. So those should both be negative, and then you're going to square the radius, so 16. All right, so we're going to do the opposite. Oops, that's supposed to be a 4, not a y. And then the opposite as well. Okay, and so those were just a couple of the errors I saw, but everything else looked pretty good. So good luck on your quiz. It's the last assignment that you have, and this is weird, but signing off. I am done making videos for you guys for now. Hopefully we can go back to school in August, but congratulations on the hard work that you guys have put in. I'm very proud of you.